Oh, okay. Had a timer start that. Well, happy Sunday. We're here. Haven't seen us a lot, I am assuming. Because it's cold as fuck. It's been raining. It's inconvenient in all the ways to be out here, but we must carry on. Today is government camp, a pull off that is a town. Census based, it says. And I'm hoping to get a bunk. Seems like Eric's not on board with it and wants to camp, but I've been camping and it's cold as fuck and I'd like to sleep in a bed. If it's not the same one, so be it. But there's showers involved. Sounds solid. I mean, other people does feel weird, I'll say that, but I think I can do it for one night.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't know how I feel about $80 to sleep with other people.
It's 30.
It's 30? I saw 40. Inflation is real, people.
Doesn't want to go, just say it.
Nah, I mean,
anyways,
it'd be nice not to feel cold at all.
Yeah, it would. So then we have to resupply per usual. Might take the bus, go out a bit. Maybe if there's like a better situation somewhere else, maybe we should do that. Just hop on the bus and go to a different town if the bus constantly runs. Blah blah. So yeah, that can make more sense too. But we would just have to get up earlier and leave earlier because the post office opens on Monday and we need our shit. That's mostly why we're going, is because we bought some stuff from Amazon that we need right now before the trail ends. But yeah, catch us in town. 5 miles, not too bad. Oh, hell yeah. Hello everyone, welcome to Timberline Lodge. You just saw my amazing meal. Had some hit or misses, but it was good. Ooh, this bus. Okay, so we made it to the bus. So now the plan has changed. Me and Eric did an extra 5 miles to get to Timberline Lodge, so we've done 10 for the day. Works out better because this bus goes up and down to government and further to the Dollar General that I really, really want to go to. So we're doing that, and showers and laundry are coming up. God bless. And then tomorrow, Amazon packages, shoes and sun hoodie, face wash because I'm dying.
Fanny
packs.
Home person. And then 3 days after that, we're going to be in Washington, so
Literally.
It's almost over. The pain is almost over.
Yes, and more secrets to come.
My family has a food trailer.
Really?
Yeah, just gonna put it down.
Pick your favorite.
Yeah, put this one up. This is my favorite.
Welcome to government camp. Fucking ski resort. It's expensive as shit out here. Yeah. Just to say that you saw it and I didn't skip out. Anyways, we're bad at the bus system all around. Just can't get it right, and we thought the bus came at 12:40 something, but turns out it came at like 12:10.
But the post office opened at 10, so
12.
yeah, at 12. So either way, we wouldn't have been able to catch it. So
Yeah, so now we're just waiting until 2:10, and whatever hiking we thought we were gonna get done, we will get some done. We'll get a lot done. There's no reason to not walk straight 6 hours continuously. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah. Speak on it, Eric. What is this?
I found out about this mushroom maybe in like Southern California. And we have been blessed with or cursed with the devil mushroom. And as you can see, it almost looks like blood is coming out. And you see like the liquid? It's gooey. And it's edible, but it tastes like shit, so it's crazy that something like this like comes out of the ground.
Little lunch.
I'm very happy right now. Little does she know that she is going to pull a 30 tomorrow.
Ooh, that's
Because
not
I have priorities, and take a look at my priorities.
good. What does that mean?
I sleep with a view.